Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is expectation versus reality. No, it's not. This is a wrapping up video for you, but it's not one of those super duper fancy schmancy ones that they are all over YouTube and Pinterest, and I love them. Yes, I watch them all too. But the expectation versus reality is something completely different. And when I've got lots of presents to wrap, which I have here, I've wrapped 5, and I've got another one to do under there, and I've got lots of children. I ain't gonna do that. I'm really not gonna do double-sided sticky tape and sticking the sellotape to the actual gift itself. I'm not. So, but the reason I'm doing a wrapping project is that we do have wrapping paper in our catalogue this year, and it's from the Twill Tidings collection. So there's this pattern and there's this pattern, and they're lovely, and they're enormous sheets. I wonder where my catalogue is, if I can tell you what the size of them are. Let's have a look. So it's right at the front of the catalogue. 24 inches by 36 inches. That's pretty huge. 61 by 91 centimetres. That's pretty big. And they're lovely. You get 4 sheets, 2 each of 2 designs. So you get 2 sheets of that and 2 sheets of this one. And like I say, this is not, you know, how to wrap a present. This is actually more expectation versus reality. But I was on stage recently and I wanted to take some gifts for some special people. So I've wrapped these 4, and I've got this one. And for those of you who don't know, Hotel Chocolat, the most amazing chocolate in the world, is made in Cambridgeshire, which is where I live. So when I see special people, I like to give them special chocolate. So this is the Christmas collection, which is also here. These are roly-poly snowmen. I will find some links and put them on my blog post for you. But I just love them. So the Christmas collection, this one's Billionaire's Shortbread, Treacle Tart, and another one of each. And this one's Caramel Supernova and Simple Dark, and they are the most divine chocolates in the world. And so, like I said, I didn't want to label them or anything like that. I just wanted to present a gorgeous parcel. So this is one set of paper with that lovely, lovely thick ribbon that's part of that suite. That's this one, ruched ribbon, lovely. And then this one, I've kind of emulated the pattern that's going on here with the curly ribbon. So, okay, this is the paper. It's wrapping paper. Don't expect anything on the other side. Like I say, it is wrapping paper. Look at this. This is reality. I haven't even cut it straight. Look, it goes off like that. Anybody else like that? I suppose the one thing I do is I make sure that the gift is face down first. And no, I don't stick it. That's a big thing, and I keep seeing that, you know, get some sellotape and stick it to the parcel. Why? What if the parcel's really pretty? You don't want to wreck it. And I will tend to get hold of one edge and turn it over, but mostly only because I will have gone wibbly with my cutting. My phone agrees. And my sellotape, look, I can't even do that straight, but you know. Oh, look. I've just literally completely wrapped that around my finger. This is me at Christmas. Welcome to my world. And yeah, 4 children, husband, mum, dad, nieces, nephews, siblings. There's a lot of wrapping going on. Okay. Do I go super neat? No. This is how I wrap a present. I think that's pretty neat. It's not bad. I'm not after awards for my wrapping. I want somebody to go, oh, thank you, rip. I don't want them to go, oh, I don't want to break into it as you've wrapped it so prettily. No, rip into it. Enjoy it straight away. Tra-la, I think that's a pretty nicely wrapped gift. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So, now comes the fun part though, getting this ribbon round. So I'm going to start in the middle where I know my bow is going to be, and then I'm going to come round one corner. Okay, so I'm coming around the corner and then I'm going to go over that corner, diagonally across, and I'm doing my very best to hold on to this bit of ribbon, and back over and into the middle. Woo! It might take you a few goes to do it. It usually does with me. How I've done that first go, I've no idea. And that is it. Seriously, expectation versus reality. I don't think that's too bad. A gift. Who's looking at the back? Nobody is. Somebody's just going to go, thank you very much. That's really kind of you to think of me and give me a nice gift. And they're going to rip into it. So, there we go. Anyway, I hope my recipients enjoy them. Love Hotel chocolate. And I hope you enjoyed my reality of wrapping a gift. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. And I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.